Vitamin B12 is one of the most important water-soluble vitamins, yet deficiency is surprisingly common and can go unnoticed for years before symptoms appear. So the people most at risk of a vitamin B12 deficiency are vegans and vegetarians, people with gut or digestive issues, people taking medications such as antacids, PPIs or metformin, and B12 absorption naturally reduces as we age. Methylmalonic acid, also known as MMA, is what's known as a functional marker of vitamin B12. Directly related to the metabolic activity of vitamin B12, the moment deficiency starts to occur, MMA levels rise. We chose to use urine MMA for our test because it's a less invasive sample type whilst being an accurate measure of B12 levels.